Okay, a couple more things to do here. So I found a bag in mystery with the labeling with two screws in it. It's a turbo coolant line, and one of them went on the similar spot on the other side, and I'm like, I can't figure out where the other smaller one goes. But then it turns out that this side has the screw here, which I left on the turbo, and we have one more of those. So it's safe to assume that whatever connects here, there's a symmetric connection over there. I don't actually know what that is yet. In the meantime, I have to connect up this coolant line. There are a total of 3 here, it appears, connecting to the turbo. Actually 4 if you include this one. So 3 over here, and this is the third one. It goes into the engine block here. So this must be some kind of a return line. Water goes in there, or coolant goes in there, comes back in here, or circulates something, right? So I had to, when I put the turbocharger assembly there, this had kind of gotten stuck, so I had to pull this guy out, and I'm going to put it back in now. So there's a clamp there, one of our favorite Rotiker clamps. So I'm going to just put it back, which of course has make everything else easier said than done. Okay. There you go. Some tight. It connects 2 places here, or rather, there's a clamp here with a small screw to tighten that, and tighten this guy, which I will now do. I made sure that there is a washer on the other side. I'm just tightening this first before I tighten this. I started this already. Okay, that's good. I'm not actually going to torque it. 10mm open end for that guy. Lovely. Okay. So there is a hose I must replace. No. This ripped off on the wastegate, I believe it is. There's a vacuum hose that I must replace. So to do that, I still have to figure out what this connects to. Consult my old video and the manual and see what's going on. So these are all tight now. And on the other side, because now the engine can't be rotated fully upside down. You won't be able to see it unless I move the camera. So interestingly, yeah, there is indeed a screw hole for the small banjo boat on the other side, corresponding to the one that I pointed out a little while ago. And I'm going to put it in there so as to not lose it. Here we go. It has one. I think it has 2 washers in there. There. So this actually does have two separate washers. It's not as if it has a shoulder or anything. It really does have two washers. And here it is. I'm going to put it in. I'm not going to bother to move the camera, but I'm just doing this here.